Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A cikin wannan video insha Allah zan yi bayanin yadda ake amfani da DATEDIF a cikin Excel. Shine abin da zan yi bayani kai insha Allah a cikin wannan video. Ya ake amfani da wannan function. Mu sani wannan formula ko in ce function na DATEDIF yanzu idan kai amfani da shi ba za ka gan shi ba. Excel a da ya fito amma yanzu babu shi cikin Excel, so it's like sun yi hiding nashi ne ko sun ɓoye shi ne ko ma dai yaya ne bai fitowa, amma kuma still yana aiki. So ya wannan DATEDIF yake aiki? Abu yadda wannan DATEDIF yake shine ana amfani da shi ne domin a yi calculating between days, a yi calculating ko dai year ko month ko date between a given dates da aka ba mutum. So misali za a baka starting date, the end date. So this function will calculate the interval between the two dates in da aka baka. Either you calculate interval na shekaru, ko you calculate interval na month, ko you calculate interval na dates. So shine abin da yake yi. Misali yanzu ga data da zamu fara aiki akan ta nan yanzu. An ba mu starting date. Let's say data ma'aikata ne, kowa ga da ya fara aiki ga kuma da ya kare. Let's say mun aje kowa last month October, ending October. Ending date gaba ɗaya is 10/31, that is October 31, 2022. So kowa ga lokacin da ya fara aiki. So we want to calculate the total year da kowannen su yayi, total month da kowannen su yayi, the total date da kowannen su yayi. Days, not date, total days da kowannen su yayi yana aiki a wannan company. That's what we are going to do, so that's in practical ku ga yadda wannan DATEDIF function yake aiki. So first of all zaka rubuta equals to. So you need to write dated. Unlike other formulas or functions da kake rubuta Excel, zaka kana rubuta suna fitowa, you just click on them da sauransu. DATEDIF bai da wannan. So just write DATEDIF open bracket. You open your own bracket by yourself, so there is no need for you to there is no shortcut to click on tab ko open bracket saboda babu function in, but function yana aiki kamar na fada. So now the first thing is to take the starting date, which is this. That's the first thing that you are going to do. Then you put comma, then you take the end date, that is this. So now these are the two given dates da muke da su. Muna da wannan, muna da wannan. Then you put comma again. So the last argument da zaka bada a cikin function is shine, now we are looking for year, so we need to specify what we are looking for. So we need to put it inside double quote. Zamu sa cikin double quote. Sai mu ce y. Just put y. Y stand for year. So just put y and close your bracket. So now you are done with this DATEDIF function. Just press enter. You see we have 0 years. Don't worry about this. It's because he started 2/22/2022 and he end of October, so he has no years. So let's drag it down. So if you drag it down, you will see that akwai wanda suke da shekara biyu, wannan da ya fara 2020, akwai wannan da ya fara 2021, akwai wannan da ya fara 2020. Ga suna akwai masu 1 year, akwai masu 2 years. So now mun samu shekaru kenan. So let's calculate how many months kowane su yayi a company in yana aiki. In order for you to get that, just put equals and again DATEDIF open bracket. Then we select our starting date, select and put comma, then we select the end date and put comma. In double quote, just put M, that stands for month. So you close the bracket, so you press enter, so you only stays at the company for 8 months. So let's just drag it down. Sorry, let me drag this. Okay, Yeah, sorry, we have error here, so let me just correct it. 2021, so like this. Yeah, so here, so the error we okay, let me show you why we got error. The reason why we got this error is that this person, you see, we made mistake in the date, because the starting date must be less than end date. So it's impossible for you to say he started December 6, 2022 and he end at October 31st, 2022. So it's impossible, you know that. So be you are aiki way December 6, 2022 da muke ciki yanzu, with December 6 might be over, sannan ya kara aikin kuma October 2022. kun ga akwai abun nan, shi yasa kawai ta samu na error a wurin, kuka ga bai bamu date mai kyau ba. So if we change it and put, for example, December 2, let's say 2020, so automatic kun ga ya bamu shekara guda, sannan kuma ya bamu 22 months. So this is for this. So and for us to get date, just put equals to dated if, you open your bracket, select the starting date, comma, end date, comma, then what, you put D. D stand for days, so you put D. So if you click enter, it will calculate the total date da yana aiki a wannan company. So you drag it down, then you get all the days da kowane cikin su yana aiki a wannan company. So if you understand this formula, you will see that the formula is not that very complicated formula. It's straightforward formula. All you need to is to memorize the arguments in the formula. You need to recall that you need the starting date, you need the end date, and you need what? And you need to give it the argument of what are you looking for, either year or month or day. That's how this formula works. Then the last thing we are going to do in this formula is, assuming now you are given a date of birth of people. For example, now you want to know the age of people. So now you only have the date of birth na mutane. So kana so ka san shekaru nawa gare su, kowa shekara ta nawa. Let's say for example kila recruitment ne ake, but ba a so a dauki wanda ya wuce, let's say 50 years, ko ba a so a dauki wanda ya wuce 60 years. So and date of birth na mutane, you want to calculate the date of birth na mutane out of date of birth, calculate the age of mutanen out of date of birth that's okay provided. How can you do that? In order for you to do that, just put equals to and put dated if, open bracket, then you select the date of birth, that your starting date, then you put comma. Now you don't have end date, but the end, you don't have end date now specified in the data, but you have the end date. That means the current date that you are analyzing this data, or you are analyzing the data, that the date you are going to compare with the date of birth namutan. So that's what you are going to do. So now as at today, you are going to write today function. There is this function called today function. This today function only return the current date da muke ciki, shi yake returning a Excel. Let me delete this and show you something. Let me just delete this. Equals to today, then you press enter, it will give you 11/23/2022. So that's when I'm recording this video. So it will give you the date that is set up on your laptop. So if I change my laptop date, maybe I put it somewhere, that's what it will show, that what Excel will give you. So can you set in, make sure laptop ink na date be kyau, date enter is set well. So that's how today's function works. So now we are going to say dated if, open bracket, this date of birth and today. Just put this today and close bracket, sorry, then you put this and you close this bracket like this. So you are done. Then you put comma. So now you are saying this date of birth compared to today's date, you want to get the year. Then we specify year and we close our bracket. So now if I press enter, it will give me the actual age of this particular person. So it will give me what? Let's press enter. It will give us 36. So anybody that was born in 10 October 1st October 1986 is 36 years old. So let's just click it here. If we drag it now, you see we got the age of all these people that make it. So using their what? Using their date of birth. So there are lots of things you can do with this DATEDIF formula. You can create function that will trace those that are due for retirement. Yes, of course. Most of those that are working as civil servant za a yi amfani da wannan domin a gane suwa suka kai age na su retire, suwayi ba su kai age na retire ba, suwayi saura shekara biyu su ƙara retire. All these function, you apply this function in order for you to get such out of the date of birth na mutanen da kake. So this function is a very powerful function, kuma aiki ne yana da amfani sosai matuƙa. Akwai mutane da dama da suke neman su san wannan function in sai ya kuma amfani da shi. Kuma insha Allah da kallon wannan video zai taimaka muku sosai ga ayyukan da kuke yi a Excel. So kai kuma ta za ku yi mutane sharing. Akwai a lot of people that are in need of this and that actually need to learn how to use this function cikin Excel. So this is it. Da fatar wannan video zai taimaka muku sosai. Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.